Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Evan, and then I will show you about my cool experiment. This experiment will use Legos. Legos are my favorite toys, and science are my favorite subject. This cool experiment will using Legos, water and bottles, and magnets. Learn how to do this experiment to see how Lego can go up and down in the water. It will be surprise you. To do this experiment, you will need Legos, magnets, and then glues. Step 1, you will put the magnet in the Lego leg using glues. You put the Legos in a bottle. Don't forget to close it. You will see the Lego. It will be amazing. The Legos going up and down because the reason this first experiment worked because of pressure. The air and the water in the bottle push the Lego in direction. It's going up and down. Now for the second experiment, you will need a paper clip. First you open the bottle and then put the paper clip. Okay, close it. Now we will see. Now it's stuck. It cannot going up because it's a magnet effect. Magnets are objects that exude a strong force field around them that cause them to attract ferromagnetic materials and other magnets themselves, even in the water. For the last experiment, you will need to put this magnet to the bottle. Look. Now we need another magnet. And look, this will surprise you again. Experiment is a question. Will the magnet lose its power when dropped in water? The simple answer is no. In fact, magnets are sometimes used for underwater recovery. Like an example. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed with my cool science experiment with Legos. Thank you.